of you. And today we are gathered here to the topic representation on chemistry, and we are prepared very well, and few students are represent their own topics with a very grateful and energetically, and so some students are very confident, then come and introduce your knowledge towards your classmates as well as your society. So, Mr.
बोलिए.
I would like to call Asmit Mishra.
Thank you, sir.
Came and represent the topic that you prepared very well.
So, good morning, students and my respected teacher. Today I am Asmit Mishra of class 10B, and first of all, very good morning to all of you. And I am a student of class 10B, and today's my topic is that is neutralization. What is neutralization reactions and neutralization reactions uses in our daily life. Okay, so neutralization. Neutralization reactions. A very interesting topic in a chemistry subject, which is neutralization reactions. So first of all, if we get started to learn any topic or write any topic, first we must know about the concept or the word that is neutralization. First of the, what is the meaning of this word neutral? We must learn what is the meaning of neutral. So first of all, what is the meaning of neutral? If I am saying that here it is a man and he is neutral, so what will you infer from this sentence? That he is not doing something, or he is only resting to a position, like sitting like a cow. Okay, so like a cow, you will say that yeah, he is a neutral, but he is not dead. Neutral infer two messages, that he is not doing something and he is also not, he is alive, he is not dead. Okay, so this is basically in the biological terms, but in chemistry terms, when we infer what is neutralization reactions, so first of all, reaction is coming here. Reaction is coming means two compounds are combining with each other, then it is forming a neutralization reaction. A very strange thing, that something is reacting, then it is forming a neutralization reaction. So first of all, this is your terms of chemistry. So we will basically infer from this that it acid and base will react with each other. Acid and base will react with each other. So this is clear, that acid and base will react with each other. Now, what properties that acid and base carry that it reacts with each other and form a neutral compound? That will be basically learn. So we know that acid contains H plus ions and hydronium ions, which is hydronium ion, that is H2O plus. Okay, and bases contains OH minus ion. A very interesting thing, that these both contains opposite sign. They are both enemy with each other. Like he is saying, I will kill you, I will destroy your whole kingdom. He is also saying, I am not a woman, I will also fight with you. Okay. So here two terms are basically hydronium ion and hydroxide ion, having a plus sign and a negative sign. Now let's take an example. Let's take example like HCl, a very common example. A very common example I will represent you, that HCl. Everyone know about hydrochloric acid. Okay. Everyone know about hydrochloric acid, and if we will combine with a base, that is magnesium hydroxide, a very common, that is we also know it milk of magnesia. Okay, now see here, H plus hydrogen ion, that is carrying a positive charge, Cl carrying a negative charge. Clear? So we basically infer from here that it is a acid, hydrochloric acid. And now MgOH twice, which is carrying a OH minus charge. Look here, Mg plus 2 carrying charge here and OH is carrying minus 1 charge. Okay? Now when it will react both with each other, it will form, first salt will form. A salt will form and plus water, H2O will form. Okay, why H2O is forming? Look, here is OH minus ions and H plus ions. When it will combine with each other, it forms the H2O, and salt will form and this Cl will react with this, that is MgCl2. Okay, so now we will take some examples in our daily life. We will take some examples in our daily life. Okay. Here everyone is sitting. Everyone once have faced acidity in his life or her life. Basically, what happens? Hydrochloric acids, when it increase in our stomach, its secretion level increase when in our stomach. HCl secretion level increase. So what happens? We feel irritation and sometimes we cause peptic ulcers. Then we use like HCl and then MgOH twice, that is also known as milk of magnesia, that is commonly used for antacids or digenin that we go to medical store. So what basically infer that when acids and bases will react with each other, they will neutralize each other. So thank you all for hearing me and giving me a chance for representation of myself.